currently many models of 3D printers currently available. There are also many different uses for 3D printers, such as your rapid prototyping. They even start to use them in the medical field. 3D printers of a larger printing size are generally rather expensive and quite heavy. That I also had to really take into account for the portability of this printer. This is just an example of a 3D printer where you can see that the weight is 7.7 kgs, the physical weight of the printer, where its maximum bed size is 15.25 all around. Where my printer weighs a total of 7.5 kgs and has a 24 round printing area.
Every single project has worked, has functioned. I know that some of like the 3D printer, you haven't got to the electrical side yet, so you can't judge based on that. Every single project is presentable, everyone looks good, every project is functional in what it was supposed to do, and I think that everyone deserves a good pat on the back for. That's something to be proud of.
Alright, so all the other people around here, and the first years especially, what did you notice about Pieter's presentation?
It's well structured.
Very well structured. Yes. What else did you
Knew what he
notice?
was talking about.
And he came across with confidence. Knew what he was talking about, and I've written here, excellent, consistent technical terminology. Now, even the shyest of people, and you guys will all get there. We'll get there. The shyest of people, when you get to know the words, use them. Use them. Often people think that I'm an engineer because I freaking use them. I'm not an engineer, we all know that. But it's you use them, they give you a kind of legitimacy. You know what I'm saying? And it's the opposite of a vicious cycle. it builds you and it builds your own confidence then. So take a lesson from that. It was very, very nice.
I was a very quiet, very shy person, and then I
and then you use it as a feed forward strategy. Get your names and your terminology right, and it becomes a feed forward thing. It makes the process go far better.